Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files. That's why he's not in jail.
Rahul ji, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair,
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
and
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है सर,
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए। A member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a subject. So please आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें। Point out किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी,
While he speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए. It is completely against the rules.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए, उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी,
I'm saying I will
you are not ready to avoid the please.
Okay, anyway, so I will not go into the names, but I would like to say,
I think so. You have to speak only on budget. बैठिए किसी, आप बजट पे बोलिए ना. There is a general discussion on the union budget for 26,
okay, sir, let me speak.
27. Okay. So I think. Nice. So, Speaker sir, so I will avoid that. अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने तो दीजिए सर. So, the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, I do not, sir, this budget that you have,
you and your member have not raised any question. I believe that day. Then Piyush Goyal has made a statement on the floor of the house.
सर मुझे आप कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए,
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
ओके, थैंक यू.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, काइंडली कंक्लूड.